So what's going on? What have you done the last week?
Oh, nothing.
Why are you so strange? You're not like yourself.
Yes, otherwise you talk and talk and talk and now you have nothing to tell?
Yes, I have a problem, but I don't want to talk about it now.
But we're your best friends. You can talk about anything with us.
You know that we listen to you, no matter what kind of problem you have.
Yes, okay. Andrea, you know that I was Simon's girlfriend.
Simon is your brother, isn't he?
Yes, let Alina speak out.
Well, I was his girlfriend for 6 months. Then I heard that he had an affair. When I asked him if it was true, he admitted it.
Yes, I know that. Oh, my brother.
And yesterday I phoned him because I think I'm pregnant from him.
What? What have you said?
You know that or you presume that?
I know it. And when I told him about that, he shouted at me and said that I must have an abortion, but
What did he say? He's such an asshole. You must do what you want and not what he thinks you should do.
I must call him. He's my brother, and that is not okay.
Do what you want to do.
Hey, Simon, I just heard behaving like an asshole. Who do you think you are?
What have I done?
You said to Irina that she should abort her baby. Don't you think that she should decide herself?
No, my life is good, and it is. I just want to have fun. But when I have a baby, I have commit.
And you think that Irina is responsible for this situation?
Yes, she forgot her pill.
Oh, and you think you can't do anything?
That's none of your business.
Okay, I think you're a really big asshole.
What did he say?
Nothing.
I don't know why he's such an asshole.
I know. What can I do now? I can't have a baby without a father. Oh, I must talk to my parents.
Do that.
You know that we will help you with the baby, don't you?
I know. I must go home now.
I must go in the same direction. I come with you. I will talk to Simon when we are alone, okay?
Okay, I don't think that he will change his mind.
But maybe he understands what you think about that.
Yes, maybe.
Know your brother Marius that you're pregnant?
No, I had to promise Simon that I don't talk about that with Marius.
And you hear of them? I don't understand. My brother's so stupid.
I know, but I love him and I hope that he will change his mind.
I will tell you what Simon says, okay?
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Hey,
Hey, what are you doing?
I go home. I heard a story about her sister. It's a really difficult situation. She's so young and then that.
What are you talking about?
Oh, you don't know?
I don't know what.
Oh, I haven't said anything.
Tell me, what is with my sister? What happened to her?
Okay, Irina just told me 15 minutes ago that she's pregnant.
What?
Let me speak out.
Okay.
And Simon is the father.
What? Simon is the father of my sister's baby?
Yes, but come worse. Simon thinks that he can decide that Irina should abort the baby.
Okay, I think I'll call him.
Do that, I must go home.
Yes, hello?
Hey, can we meet? It's important.
Yes, at the corner, like always.
Okay, see you.
No, what do you want?
What I want? What I want? You made her pregnant!
She told you? She promised not to tell you.
What? You don't want to know me that? I'm your best friend. She didn't just told me. Who do you think you are?
What? You have to understand this.
I don't understand that. That's your baby.
Oh, you have got nerve.
I know you.
Let me alone.
und bitte.
So what's going on? What? What did you say?
Oh nein! Das ist so schön. Kannst nicht mehr so viele Leute.
Mach mal, ich lass mal laufen.
Kamera läuft.
Können Sie soll noch weg? Mach es noch weg. Weit weg.
Weg, weg ihr. Go.
No, my life is good, and it is. I just Oh, ich kann das nicht. Oh, wie gut.
Kommen Sie zu, ich habe den ganzen Tag Zeit.
So then, I'm your best friend.
What? Oh, fuck. Not to tell you. What? You don't want to know. Weiter, weiter. Komm weiter, weiter. Ist doch egal, ist doch egal. Komm, weiter geht's. Läuft doch alles, läuft doch alles. Den Text habe ich auch gleich noch im Kopf. Lies den scheiß Text durch.